In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a co-host to your Airbnb listing. Whether you're a seasoned host or someone just starting out, understanding how to manage your property with the help of a co-host can make your hosting experience much smoother. So, let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, we need to head over to the Airbnb website. Open up your preferred web browser and go to the Airbnb homepage. This is where the journey begins, giving us access to all the wonderful features Airbnb offers to make hosting easier and more efficient. Once you're on the Airbnb homepage, look towards the top of the screen and find the menu icon. This is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and you'll see an option that says Log in or Sign up. If you already have an account, simply log in. If you're new, you'll want to create one, but for the purposes of adding a co-host, let's assume you already have an account. Now, after clicking Log in or Sign up, you'll see multiple options to log in. Choose Continue with Google for a quick and seamless experience. This will prompt you to select the Google account you wish to use. So go ahead and click on the account you want to link with Airbnb. This step brings you closer to accessing your Airbnb dashboard, where you can manage your listings and add co-hosts. With your Airbnb account now open, it's time to access the co-host section. Head to the top right corner of the page and click on the menu icon once more. This time, you'll be looking for the Find a Co-host link. This feature is designed to help you search for and add co-hosts that meet the criteria for your property's needs. When you click Find a Co-host, you'll be prompted to search for a location. This step is crucial as it allows you to find co-hosts who are familiar with the area where your property is located. Type in the location of your listing and review the available co-hosts that come up. Airbnb will display potential co-hosts who could be a great fit to assist with managing your listing, handling guest communications, and more. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated the process of adding a co-host to your Airbnb listing. Having a co-host can significantly ease the burden of hosting, allowing you to offer a better experience for your guests while maintaining the quality and attention your property deserves. Thank you for joining me today, and happy hosting!